Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to pay your AT&T bill by phone. You just make a payment guys by calling the AT&T automated system and you follow the voice prompt. So their number is 800-311-0500. You can dial 611 from your AT&T wireless phone. So you can pay through the automated system guys 24 hours a day. But if you want to reach an agent, it has to be between Saturday, Sunday 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. or Monday to Friday 7 a.m. through 9 p.m. Okay? And remember, guys, there's no charge to pay your bill using the automated system. There is a convenience fee if you pay over the phone with an agent. Okay? If you use the automated system, no fees. If you pay it with an agent, there is a convenience fee. Okay? So you just call that number and you can go through with that. You can pay via your debit card or credit card, Apple Pay, or you can pay with my bank, the online banking. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.